Science says that universe began from nothing. No space, no time, no matter. It was just a singularity of infinite density that exploded into everything, known as the famous Big Bang Theory, and it won the Nobel Prize for the same. Welcome to your own channel Boli and Rigveda series. Today we are going to talk about Rigveda predicting Big Bang Theory 3000 years before science did. The main point here is not Big Bang Theory. It is about verse written in Rigveda thousands of years ago. Mandal 10, hymn 129, named Nasadiya Sukta, or the hymn of creation, which says, "There was neither non-existence nor existence then. There was neither realm of space nor the sky. What happened? When? In whose protection?" The Big Bang Theory states that before the universe, physics breaks down completely. There was no concept of time. We cannot ask what was there before Big Bang Theory because the concept of time started from the Big Bang Theory. There was nothing before because there was no time. The universe emerged from a state science described as nor existence, neither non-existence. And the Nasadiya Sukta opens exactly with that. The hymn then describes a state of total darkness, undifferentiated, like a cosmic soup. The early universe was a plasma soup, opaque and without structure, until photons decoupled 380,000 years later. Rigveda calls this state Gahan Gabiram, darkness hidden by darkness. Then something stirs. The verse says Kama arose, desire or impulse, the first seed of creation. Modern cosmology calls it quantum fluctuation, a random perturbation in quantum field that seeded all matter and structure. But how is this so remarkable and how does this matter to us as Indians? What if Rigveda wrote about it thousands of years ago? Big deal. No, because other ancient civilizations or cultures had their own theories of creation. They had creation myths. For example, Egypt had autumn rising from primordial water. Genesis says gods created the heaven and the earth. But those are all assertions. They tell you what happened. Unlike many other ancient cultures or civilizations that begin with either God or an act of divine will, Nasadiya Sukta embarks on a speculative journey, pondering the very creation of nature and the mysteries of what might have existed before. The hymn does not end with an answer that states something, but it ends with a question. Who knows who created it? When was it created? How was it created? We were taught that inquiry, skepticism, scientific methods all came from Greece. It was Socrates who invented the art of questioning. It was West who taught us rational thought. But here we are, thousands of years ago, Vedic rishis sitting in the sky, looking at the stars and saying, we don't know. And we are going to sit with it honestly. The Vedas didn't just lay a spiritual foundation, but they laid an intellectual one. Nasadiya Sukta is not a proof that ancient Indians knew Big Bang Theory beforehand, but it is something more interesting. Evidence that the questions that drive modern physics today were already being asked in an extraordinary poetic precision thousands of years before telescopes even existed. Next week, we are going to decode why our grandparents used to wake up at 5 a.m. and why Nobel Prize winning science today says that she was right. I love you all. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.